And now, the Roadless Rant.
Today on Roadless, we're installing the lights like Steve's told you. What we're going to talk about real quick is the angle and the way you want to run those. First of all, we're looking for floods, not spots. These are floodlights. Straight ahead, down the hood, looks neat on a show Jeep, or if you need to light up your parking stall at the mall, that works really good, or show off your logo on your hood. The way we use them when we off-road is we'll usually tilt them down and we'll tilt them out. We're looking to light up the terrain around the vehicle so we can see where we're at. We're doing between 4 and 6 miles an hour at night, and you need to see where you're at, not so much where you're going down the road. The big fancy light bars you see on a lot of rigs these days, they work great for making noise and lighting up the highway 200 feet down, but for wheeling, unless you're the first person in line, the only thing you're lighting up is the guy's tailgate in front of you who's going to come back and have a talk to you about it immediately. So they really don't light up much, let alone the amount of reflection you get off the hood. There's not much you can do with those overhead light bars, in my opinion. These work great down about that angle, flood, not spot. Maybe some rock lights that are in front and behind the tires if you're doing a lot of ledge or rock climbing. Those work really well. I'm not sure what the color ones are for, but white ones work really good for lighting up the terrain. And that's where we're going to mount these. No matter where we're going to drive this Jeep, we're going to be able to see the ground around it immediately. We'll have plenty of light.